at that. That's gorgeous. Wow. A lovely view.
Certainly is. I suppose if you're not going to get a view up here, you're not going to get it anywhere.
I know, eh? Nice view, that's Loch Carron, darling.
GB.
Yeah. And go right up to the end of this and round to the other side. And then cut over the hill at some point.
Alright.
I think that's Strathcarron over there, I think it is. Nice wee cafe there as well. It's lovely and a nice day because they've got tables across the road that are right with the loch. There you go, see? A tunnel, but it's not a tunnel. You know what I mean? It's just like a box. It's just because of that bit hill there, obviously. That's it. Look at that. Wow, that's stunning, eh?
Oh, it looks like it's got snow in it.
It's almost, eh? It's falling apart. It's all the rock, eh? See that building with the trees just up there? Yeah? That's the turning to go up to the pass over the Applecross. Hiya, here we are in the Dundonnel Hotel in Dundonnel, and £22 cheaper than the Oyster Inn. Not a bad wee room, average wee shower, quite nice. We're just about to go down to the bar. Not the best view compared to last night, right enough, but never mind. Can't see the bike, which is unfortunate. Not keen on running around the back here, but oh well. So we're just about to go down to the bar and get a meal, and then obviously we'll compare breakfasts tomorrow morning. Like I say, we'll have to go some to beat yesterday's, this morning's I should say, but we'll see. We're just going for beer.
All good.
All good.
Yeah, gin time.
Okay.